Hello, hello. Today we are trying another Van Leeuwen flavor. This one is Buttermilk Berry Cornbread. And this is from the new line. Let's see what it says about it, if anything. Okay, there we go. And nothing makes us happier than this Buttermilk Berry Cornbread ice cream. We mix in pieces of honey cornbread with buttermilk ice cream. Then we add in swirls of sweet and tart raspberry. You add your spoon. Before you know it, we have a mouth band. Kind of corny. I don't mind. So we've got our protective layer. Not a strong scent in this one. You can see the swirls, the red swirls for the raspberry. I don't really see the cornbread pieces on top. Okay, so we're gonna see what we got here. You know, I do sort of smell just a cream almost. Wow. This is delicious. Whoa. This is so good. Everything is working so well in this pint. The buttermilk ice cream, this reminds me so much of Jenny's ice cream. Which is a big compliment. Jenny's is my favorite ice cream. It's so good. The buttermilk, my favorite Jenny's flavor is Brambleberry Crisp. And this one, I think that's the name of it. I might be getting something slightly wrong, but this reminds me of that flavor a lot. It's got the fruit mixed with this sort of, it's got this sort of streusel mixed in. I don't know exactly what's in that one, but everything about this one complements. I mean, every ingredient complements the other, and it reminds me a lot of the Jenny's flavor. And Jenny's also has a flavor that's like peach biscuit or something, and this reminds me of that too, because I think it's a buttermilk ice cream. Wow. I just got some of the cornbread. So I actually don't like sweet cornbread. I was telling a friend about that this week. My grandmother made the best cornbread I ever had, and she did not use sugar in her cornbread. So I'm not a huge fan of sweet cornbread. I really like the taste of the cornbread in here, but I can taste that sweetness, which is not my most favorite kind, but it works really well. A lot of times you have to be careful with texture when you add in any kind of bread product to an ice cream. It can get kind of soggy, but this is not doing that. Wow. I am loving this. It's just so refreshing. The weather's warming up, and I find that I want a nice cold treat. And this hits the spot. And something about the fruit part of it that's so refreshing. But I really like the cream and the buttermilk, and it's delicious. Wow. Just a little bit of raspberry too. Just enough. I'm gonna really enjoy this pint. There's not millions of mix-ins, but I think it's a good amount. It's a good mixture. It's enough for you to really taste every ingredient. Solid pint. Man, 7 or an 8. 7.5 out of 10 for this. Would definitely get it again. So this is the Buttermilk Berry Cornbread. Would buy.